Screen Eagle offers Inspect, a unique software solution that enhances the entire process. To tell you more about Inspect, here is Risto.
Thanks, Antonio. Right, all starts with visual inspection. As a matter of fact, more than 80% of all inspections consist of visual inspections. Inspect is the most powerful and customizable field data capture and management software for inspectors and engineers. It consists of an intuitive app for field data collection and a web interface for further analysis and administration. Inspect is set up for real-time team collaboration from anywhere at any time. The software helps inspectors and engineers to manage and document their work from job preparation, field data capture, data analysis, all the way to reporting to their clients, the asset owners. All your workflows can be digitalized and customized easily as per your needs within minutes. Remember, the essence of any inspection is location, and hence why we put location at the core of our solution. That means that all captured data is simply layered on that very location, which we call spot. And here is how the core of Inspect works. To make sure that you don't forget anything while being on site, you can prepare and structure a checklist as a guidance and ensure that you're compliant with local and international standards. While being in the field, we understand that speed matters for you. The fully customizable, structured data collection empowers you in your everyday job and reduces data collection time to a max. It has never been so easy to capture photos of your findings and map them to a location onto a drawing, picture, map, or 3D model. Add any additional info that you find relevant to put the data into context. It can be just a comment, 360 picture, video, 3D scan, or sensor data. Any combination that you want and need is possible. All data is stored within the spot and is easily retrievable at any time. The superpower of Inspect comes into play once the field inspection is done. Thanks to the structured field data capture, with only 3 steps, you create a fully customizable and actionable report in a PDF, CSV, or even Word format within less than a minute out in the field itself. That's it. Job done. This is powerful. This is Inspect. What's more, all of your field data capture is available across different platforms with all your teammates, and everyone has access to absolutely the same data set in real time. This is great. The result of using Inspect? Massive productivity gains along the entire inspection and assessment process saves you time and money, enhanced quality of inspections, and ensured compliance and traceability. And lastly, accessibility of data and documentation even in years to come. To convince yourself, let's hear what our customer VSL out of Asia loves about Inspect.
Inspecting the impressive bridges of Brunei is a crucial task for Narciso Pikuriwad and his team at VSL International. In the past, the team used traditional inspection methods, which proved to be time-consuming, with frequent revisits to the same site. Now, Narciso and the team use intelligent inspection software to collect, manage and report the data quickly and easily. All data collected in the field can be viewed in real time at the office, so the inspector is free to move on to the next site. The team's efficiency helps to keep Brunei's bridges safer for everyone.
Fantastic to see how Inspect adds value to their daily life of bridge inspection. Building on all of this, I'm excited to announce to you Inspect 4. This release elevates the ease of use, data flow, and much more, bringing Inspect to a completely new dimension. Inspect 4 comes now with a newly designed iPhone app focusing on the core functionalities for inspectors and engineers to do their jobs even better. Now you can leverage the powerful iPhone camera for brilliant picture taking, enjoy a comfortable user experience with the lightweight of the device, and are enabled to use both hands when required. The newly introduced widgets make you even more productive in the field, allowing you to configure your field dashboard yourself as per your needs, available on iPhone and iPad. And for those who want to use an even more powerful camera in the field where direct access is not possible, we have you covered with our mighty automatic photo sorting feature. Simply upload your pictures on the web interface, and our software algorithm does the rest for you to sort them out to the exact spot location within Inspect. Just like magic. Shirley, tell us what else Inspect 4 can do for our customers.
Thanks, Resto. That's a big help in gaining deep insights. With Inspect, you can link sensor measurements to any spot. You simply choose the measurement data out of our concrete sensor portfolio, and automatically the raw data and all the metadata is copied within Inspect. This deep link guarantees full traceability for future investigations. Customers have asked us repeatedly if the visualization of the sensor data can be overlaid onto the 2D drawings. Why is that? Well, because the overlay enhances the contextual information entirely for better assessment. I have amazing news for you. As of now, in addition to the sensor deep links, visualizations of the sensor can now be overlaid onto the 2D drawing. Look at this, for instance. It's a heat map of a cover survey on a wall, but without any context, it has limited value. But with the overlay on the drawing, it completely changes the perspective and makes it immediately understandable. Now you know exactly where the hotspots are for repair in real life, and the overlay can be put onto the scale, making your cost estimates easier and more precise. You can also adjust the transparency to see the original drawing at the same time, giving you a complete understanding of the full structure. But what's more important is that it massively facilitates and speeds up the reporting process of your NDT scanning. So no need to extract the data or use different tools to put the report together anymore. This is fantastic and demonstrates the power of our Screening Eagle ecosystem. As Resto mentioned, spots define the point of location of observation. Distinct colours allow you already to differentiate between different defect categories. To enhance visually the information content of the spots, Inspect 4 introduces custom markers and brings customization to the next level. So spot signs can be predefined using different shapes, colours and borders and transparency settings. And even better, we can draw any annotation to a spot to highlight certain areas. This newly introduced capability shows you at first glance all of your observations as per your company standards and customer requirements without any constraints, and will boost your field productivity and secures the quality. Let's talk about data flow now. For this, I have my colleague Florian, who will tell you what the design and engineering team have been working on for Inspect 4.
Thank you, Shirley. Our customers love Inspect because it's by far the most intuitive and powerful app when you're in the field. Better than every other product on the market. But what if you want to bring data out of Inspect and into your own system? Or what if you want to improve the way that you capture data, but you still need to keep your legacy system? Well, today, we are proud to introduce Inspect API. With Inspect API, you can now connect to any system that you can imagine. It provides information in real time out of Inspect without having to export to Excel. We built a RESTful API that allows you to fetch all your assets, spots, and reports through simple HTTP requests. We're very excited to show you what it can do. First, we're announcing a connector that will allow you to create valuable dashboards in the industry standard Power BI. Just log in with your Screening Eagle ID in the Power Query editor and start grabbing data, all visually. Then simply use the results directly as a source for your graphs. But that's not all. We also have integrations to adjacent systems on our roadmap, like Bentley Synchro and others, making it easy for you to capture your data on your existing projects using Inspect. Today, we're rolling out Inspect API as a private beta. Just get in touch with us if you want to learn more. But trust me, this is just the start of a new dimension. Because in the era of big data and AI, we believe that providing solid frameworks to exchange data is essential to protecting the built world.